Hi, this is Archana Tangri here. So recently I came across a question on an open forum which was asked to everyone, and the question was, if there is a conflict between two people, should you keep quiet, and if you do not agree to that discussion, should you keep quiet and let the war happen inside your mind, or should you continue with the discussion and try and convince the other person? Now, there were many answers to this. Some agreed to it, some did not. Some said it's better to have a peaceful relationship rather than trying to convince others and spoil the relation. Somebody said it really depends. But from my point of view, I feel that one should be free in a discussion. One should be free to express the ideas inside his mind in a healthy way, not like for convincing others, or not like forcing your ideas, forcing your thoughts on somebody else. You should be free to express yourself, and that is when the healthy word comes in. That is when you are not blocking your throat chakras, you're not starting a war inside your head. You will never be satisfied if you do not express yourself at that time. If you keep quiet at that time, if you're not happy with the discussion, if you're not happy with others' point of view, and you just keep quiet for the sake of peace, this is not peace as per me. Somewhere this thought that is that you withheld inside you will come up in some form or the other. And moreover, if you have this attitude of keeping to yourself and not expressing yourself, that means you're not satisfied, and then maybe you're not starting a war inside your head, maybe you're not realizing the war that is inside your head. Or if we do not address it as war, if we just address it as a discussion inside your head, then it'll be like pointers adding inside your head, right? And then finally, as per me, it'll show up as a snowball effect. It will keep adding on to the earlier thought, and then so there are a lot of your logical mind also starts working on it, and then there are assumptions, there are presumptions, then there are your prerequisites, then you are then there are opinions, then there are judgments, and everything gets on together, and finally it'll show up in a big way. So as per me, it's better to express yourself and be open to the other person that it is just my thought and I'm not forcing this thought on you. That is what is peace, when people, those who matter to you, are open to you and are able to express themselves in a free manner. Thank you so much for listening.